If you already have a WhatsApp app on your smartphone and you'd like to get WhatsApp business app, then in this video I'm going to show you a step-by-step process of downloading or getting WhatsApp for business app. If you find this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to my channel. My name is Isaac and this is A Minute with AI. Alright, let's get into it. By downloading WhatsApp business app, you'll be able to have two WhatsApp, one for personal and the other one for business. To do so, it is quite simple. If you are on Android smartphone, you will need to access Google Play Store to be able to do so. And if you are on iPhone, you'll need to access App Store. So for my case, I'm on Android and therefore I'll go ahead and look for Play Store. And from here, I'll go ahead and search for WhatsApp business. And here it is. And once you get here, you can see we have this WhatsApp business app from WhatsApp company. So to install it, you can just go ahead and tap on it and then you'll see we have an install option here. You can see it currently has over 1 billion downloads. So to install it on your smartphone, just go ahead and tap on install and then this will go ahead and install your app on your smartphone. And now once your app has been installed, you'll be able to open when you just tap on open here and it will take you now to your WhatsApp for business app. If you also go back to your apps, now you can see you have your personal WhatsApp and your business WhatsApp is here. So that's how you download and get WhatsApp for business on your Android smartphone or iPhone. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.